168 106. 166 106 to Birmingham Snow Hill. That's a passing service. 168 321 is just coming in. 168 321 and 168 322 coming in from Oxford to London Marylebone. Hey guys, real quick, I'm just a 168 214 is just about to pull in to go off to Oxford. But while I'm waiting, I'm just looking around, and I've just been keeping an eye out both ways, right? And while I've been doing that, I've just spotted that MMC and that street light at the top there, they've just been waiting around for ages. They've just been standing there, and I'm just like, what the heck's going on? And I just realised, I look up there, I can see that Enterprise van, which is what there, but I can see there's just traffic clogging up, like literally clogging up High Wycombe. And that's ridiculous, because now that MMC and that heat light are both going to be running quite late, which it always happens on this route, always happens at this time, to be honest, because it is 4:11 in the afternoon as I'm filming this right now. But well, wait, now look, MMC's going. No, it's going to be stuck again. But this always happens because it is 4:11 in the afternoon, and it is school traffic, so I'm not really that surprised. But you know, this happens a lot when you're up here. This happens a lot when you're in Wycombe. Speaking about the train, here's 168. Oh, I thought it was 214. It's 168 327 on the 72 to Oxford. Well, it says 72, but I think it's just to Oxford. Alrighty. One 327. Oh wait, so that MMC is on 31, that heat light's on 34. I get that, but now they're both going to be late anyway, so what is the point? Anyway, there goes 168 327 and 168, I think it was 214, I didn't double check. But yeah, anyway, we'll see you guys when the next train pulls in. 37508. Holy shit. Oh my god, he's only half an hour delayed, but bloody hell. Woo! Oh, that was good. Oh, class 37, that was a good one.
That's what she said.
Oh, I loved that. Oh, that was a good 37. He just passed like it was nothing. Jeez. Wow. My heart is going. Bloody hell. Oh, that was so cool to see. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Whew. That was really good. Bloody hell. Damn. And it is 168215 on the off to London Marylebone. Oh god, he's full. God damn. There goes 168215 celebrating 125 years of London Marylebone Station. One six eight 113 to Birmingham Moor Street. Bloody hell. Bloody hell, he came quick.
That's what she said.
Gee. Damn. Bloody hell, there's all sorts of things past me yesterday. I've seen two 165s that's passed me. I've seen a class 37 that's floored it past me. And now there should be a Birmingham to London Marylebone train passing in a second. Should be coming from that way, but I don't know. Let's wait and find out. A bit of a change. Alrighty then, and here is A165. 165036 to London Marylebone. That train should be leaving in a second. One 165036 going off to London Marylebone. And to finish off the video, here is 889 B62 JZJ on the 1C to on the 1C back from Chartridge. And here's 893 B62 JZM on the 1B back from Cheshire and Pond Park via Penn Street. Anyway, as 213 BF10 OXF goes up Amersham Hill on the 31 to Beaconsfield, I want to say thank you guys for watching that video. If you liked it, punch that like button in the face like a boss. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Have fun and stay safe, viewers, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.